In this video, I want to show you how to preserve the query string in your URL while making the changes to your Livewire component. It's pretty common to have Livewire dynamic things going on the page, but then there's no direct link if you want to send that action result to someone else. So some other person you want to send the link via Slack or email or whatever. By default, Livewire pagination works in a good way. So in your Livewire component, if you add with pagination and you have some search, for example, with pagination, when you click page 2, the URL changes. So you can safely send to someone that URL. So if you copy and paste it again, you will land on the page 2 automatically. But what if you have additional search parameter? For example, you want to search for Dr. Dr. and that parameter is not in the URL anymore. So by default, you have public string search. In your Blade component, you have wire model search, which is fine, and that search will work internally, but you cannot send the external link to anyone. Luckily, Livewire has very easy solution. So you can add a protected property, protected query string. In fact, it is by default in Livewire components. You just override the value, and this should be an array of what parameters need to be saved as query string parameters. In our case, it's search. And if we define it like that, let's refresh the page. So we are on the users table, and by default, it's automatically suffixed with search, even if it's empty. So I click users link and it's automatically refreshed with search empty. And if we enter something here, it automatically appears on top in the URL. And it's saved actually even with pagination. So I click page 2, it's saved and stays in the URL as well. Cool, right? But maybe you don't want that behavior of automatically adding the search here. That's also easy to customize. What values should be an exception? So search, then except empty value. So then if the value is empty, then it won't be in the URL. Again, we click users, and as you can see, the URL is clean, but if we add at least something, then search appears. And this is in fact how pagination works by default. So users doesn't have pagination, page parameter, but if we click page 2, then it appears. So this is how you can easily manipulate the search parameters and URL parameters with query string property.